Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, I want to share with you my 12.12 haul. So 12.12 is like the biggest online sale here in the Philippines, and I picked up a few items ranging from gadgets and, well, sneakers and a bunch of other cool stuff. So I want to kick things off with this shoe, the one and only shoe that I ended up buying during 12.12, and it's not from Adidas, it's not from Nike, it's not from New Balance, it's actually from Cole Haan. So the Tito in me. So anyway, I was thinking of buying a shoe that I could wear when we could potentially go back to the offices or go back to my office, my place of work in 2021. So this is the Cole Haan Zero Grand 4. So it's like the latest iteration of the Zero Grand, which is a really comfortable lifestyle hybrid. I call it like a hybrid work shoe because it kind of like combines a dress shoe with a sneaker. You get the look of a dress shoe, the formality of a dress shoe, and you get the comfort of like a running shoe or a sneaker. So you have the Zero Grand branding on the top. You pop the box open, you have your typical tissue paper, and then ba-bam, this is the shoe. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Zero Grand 4, if I'm not mistaken, or 3, but besides the latest Zero Grand. So you have that brown leather upper, which is your typical like brogue Oxford type of shoe or wingtip, I don't know what you properly call it. And then you have this sock liner inside, which makes it super comfortable for your feet. And then if you take a look at the outsole, it is more of a sneaker-like outsole. So there used to be a time when I think Cole Haan used to be owned by Nike, and you would see a lot of the sports technologies being applied to the midsole of a traditional work/dress shoe. So now they're independent, but I think in terms of philosophy, it's still there. This part is really soft if you press at it, that yellow part, and that's what keeps your feet comfortable as you are wearing them. So if you're looking for a work shoe that is kind of hybrid, formal, but sneaker comfort, this is it. They have a shop on Lazada, which is official. I'll link it down below just in case you guys want to buy from them this Christmas. Now, the second item that I got are face masks. So this is something that I got from ZALORA. So I link it down below. So this is the Under Armour face mask, one of my favorite face masks to date. My main two face masks are either Under Armour face masks or the Project 7-to-1 collaboration with Banale, which was designed and made in Italy. So this one is the sports mask, I think in different colors, again from Under Armour. So this one is in the gray color. I actually have this in black already. Very comfortable, very nice fit. This top part has a band, so you can actually press it to give you that secure lock. And the inner flap actually uses their ISO chill technology, which keeps your mouth cool as you are walking or as you are working out. Oh wait, I can't open this because this is for my wife. So, but yeah, this is like the gray version. If you want to buy one, reusable, rewashable, super comfortable, I'll link it down below. Now, the next item that I want to show you guys is a new laptop that I got from Asus. So this is the Asus ZenBook Flip S. The great thing about this one is that it's a 2-in-1, so you can actually flip it and use it as some sort of tablet for entertainment purposes. Let's say you want to chill back and just watch Netflix, or if you want to use like a productivity tablet of sorts, this can do the job. You can even get like the stylus to work with it if you're a creative, if you're in that particular field, or you just want to sign a lot of documents with the stylus. It also comes powered with the Intel 11th generation Tiger Lake. Plus, it has a 4K OLED display, which means that whatever that you'll do with it, be it watching movies, doing presentations, or browsing the web, it will work really well. So, man, you know, if there's one thing that ZenBook and Asus is really good at, it's really design. All of their products, especially the ZenBook line, they look really amazing. Take a look at that gold bronze lining that you see along the edges, and then you have the concentric circles. That's something of like their design philosophy. You have the Asus logo emblazoned proudly at the top of the lid. And then if you pop this laptop open, you'll see the hinge, they kind of push downward because it allows for it elevates the keyboard a little bit so that you can type better. It's more ergonomic with it. And like what I mentioned earlier, you can actually do it like this all the way around, and you can work at it like a tablet, or you can watch your movies, You can do like that, you can present this way, and it's just a really versatile laptop to have with you. And again, it's powered by Intel's 11th generation processor, so you should be able to do a lot of things. And maybe you won't be able to do hardcore gaming on it. You'll probably be able to play a lot of games, but if you want to put it like ultra high settings and stuff like that, you're better off, you know, getting like a gaming laptop. But hey, if you're looking for like a laptop that's built for work, that's built for creative work, that's built for all-around productivity plus a little bit more, this one really delivers on that one. So again, this is the Asus ZenBook Flip S. If you guys want to know more about the latest products of Asus, they recently launched an event here in the Philippines, an online event. They had like Casey Montero and a bunch of other guys. They were talking about all the new products of Asus. I'll link down below to that video because you can definitely pick up different options at different price points, at different uses for the products that they recently launched. Among the entire lineup, this happens to be my favorite. I just feel that a lightweight, powerful, all-around creative device is a great addition to any professional. And I think they really hit it out of the ballpark with this one. Now, last but not the least, this wasn't an online purchase. This was something that I got from Data Blitz. Now, it's not a PS5. I have a feeling that most of you would want this to be a PS5, but it's not. This is actually an Xbox. The new Xbox, it's called the Xbox, I think 360X or something. Sells for like 35,000 pesos. This is a really expensive gadget. So if you guys are into gaming, I guess this is something that's super familiar to most of you. It's the latest generation gaming console Xbox. There you have it. Really big box, massive, looks really dope. And I won't unbox it, and there's a good reason why. I want to raffle this one away, but I don't know the mechanics yet. Di ko pa alam what would be the mechanics to raffle this big, crazy gaming machine to one of you guys. So I'd actually want to hear from you. If you have suggestions on the potential mechanics that we can do for the raffle, for the Xbox, let me know in the comment section. Some people suggested that it's only open to people who like buy the merch from the merch store. Some people suggested that we just do it the usual way, wherein you just leave a comment, you subscribe, and then I'll randomly pick one. Some people said that I should like put out a challenge for like a dance challenge or something. I don't dance, so I don't think like that's like the best challenge I can do. But yeah, I wanna hear from you guys. I wanna listen to you. So please let me know what are other mechanics that we can do for my Xbox Christmas giveaway. Hit the comments. Whatever crazy idea you have, I'll try to read as many comments as possible so that I can find out, or I can, you know, at least get some options before I do the official mechanics of our Xbox giveaway. So again, hit the comments, let me know. I'd love to hear from all of you. So yeah, that's actually it for my 12.12 haul. We ended up buying like a couple of face masks. We bought this thing to do as a giveaway, and we have the Asus ZenBook Flip S. And of course, the Cole Haan Zero Grand shoes. And with that said, guys, I hope you're all okay. Please do check out my watch channel. I recently uploaded a bunch of videos about the Naruto Seiko collection. Really nice watches. And with that said, this is Carlo. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.